Hey guys, Love and Light. We're gonna jump right in to the second series that I'm actually gonna go ahead and publish on this channel. I went ahead and I wanted to discuss some other videos from the past series that we did. Um, I wanted to just kind of remind you to go and check out the Khan Academy of Organic Chemistry. I always want to remind you to go educate yourself. Um, it's the most important aspect of the entire journey that we're going through is self-education and self-differentiation. Um, just a quick couple of pointers before I go ahead and start this video. Just remember symbolism. We live in a world of symbols. Remember what the age of Piscean and the age of Aquarius actually can mean via symbol wise. I love this non-existence of 5 potential days. I'm kind of really in tune to this 360 type concept versus 365. Um, Also, if you watch the past series of videos, you'll go ahead and familiarize yourself with fractals and the movement of photons and potential movements, and we'll kind of get a little bit into that today, but we're not gonna go too far into it because I find myself going onto these huge organic chemistry tangents that I really just don't care for. Um, Remember, as we go ahead and move forward, like I said, we linked that video to the Mobius band with the Event Horizon. I'm gonna link a couple more videos and I'll explain why I'm linking those videos here soon. Just want to make sure I cover all my notes. Okay, yeah, so why am I linking the videos that I linked? Remember that at the end of the last series that we were talking about this factualization concept of whether self being zero or environment being zero and vice versa, how there's really no differentiation between you and your environment, and this is not some pseudoscience. This is what our physics is based off of. People get it confused, and a lot of the times people get to theoretical math after they've kind of hit a block for themselves in formal mathematics, and they're just like, they kind of can't take anymore. So I totally understand. It does become habitual, arbitrary, just like any other practice that we might experience in this plane. Let's see. I'm not gonna make this part of the video too much longer. Also, looking into, let's see, yes, so the videos that I linked are gonna be on extreme value theory as well as the absolute value theory. These are very important in understanding how functions can include a certain point potentially, but that point actually not being within its domain. I don't want to sound too mathematical, but I also don't want to contrite myself to the layman's type of instruction. So what we will do is, if you've watched the video that I have linked, then this will almost be a resketch of it. So you can have a function. We're always talking about function. We're always talking about movement. You're out here trying to function. Shout outs to Fody Water. So you can have a function which goes like this, and then goes like this. I'm still my own cameraman here, or camera woman. And it can have another function, aka chain law, that goes like this. And hypothetically speaking, this point in the center should be included in the function, but according to our domain, hint hint, watch the video, it's not actually included. Now, the reason why this is important or poignant because you have to understand that in this existence that you actually determine what is zero and what is not zero. So you could potentially say that the function itself are these energies from these astral bodies, aka archons, demiurge, and they meet at a point, potentially, that is you, or that is being, right? Or you could vice versa that, aka, hint hint, which we will get into, the shadow realm. This is like the edge of the shadow. This isn't the true shadow. But aka, you now are the projection of the potential demiurge or energy that is radiating the projection that is you. You might want to replay that about like 5 more times. So as we get to the intro of this video, let's see, that's that. Perfect segue. Let's see, into, I had a note on here about the photoelectric effect, but I think I'd actually like to introduce that a little bit later. Because I wanted to get into demonstrations of the importance of such said functions. I'm gonna end this video right here. Actually, I will go ahead and just give you kind of a heads up. So what we're gonna be doing in the rest of the series of this series is gonna be basically creating functions. We're going to be using basic derivative techniques to kind of measure the differentiation between you and an actual object around you. Now, this might seem very elementary, but if someone put you in front of a sensor in CERN, you would probably burn instead of actually being able to understand. So let's get you divvied to quantum mechanics. Let's get you pumped up for potentiality. And let's go ahead and talk about the theory 0 here when we come back with the next video. Okay, love you guys. Probably gonna be like 4 more parts. And so thanks. See you soon.